Hello and welcome to the chaos. And this week we are actually doing a Brat Box unboxing. So Brat Box is a pins and patches subscription box. And I got this one last month and I just got the one for this month. So this has been one in the works, waiting. So we're gonna start with the one from March here. And I love the box. 10 out of 10 on packaging on these. So. Alright, so we're gonna start with the card here before we look at anything else. And it says, you're supporting independent artists. So each month, Brat Box partners with a different artist to create their box for that month. And you have choices of like 3 different ones to choose from. And you can buy all 3 if you'd like, but your subscription covers one of them. So. Oh, and these are all of the artists who designed the boxes. Their information to follow them if you find a creator that you really like. So that is awesome. That's a good detail. And we're gonna start first with this pin. It's a cute little like sugar skull-esque unicorn. And it is by Onion Cakes. So that is just super adorable. I love that. Next we have a sticker. This one does not say who it's by though, but we have this cute little space sticker with kind of like Adventure Time vibes. We have yes, this one doesn't say this. So this one is by Lanthier, and it is a cute little skull with ghosty goose flying out of the eyes. And it's all pastel-y and cute, and I love it. Okay, this one is Jan Chu, and it is really cute. It is a little cat mummy popping out of a sarcophagus. And again, super cutesy and pastel. On the side, it says Cat's Cradle, which is really cute. And finally, there is a patch, which is this, which is so cool. It's a little cyclops looking at a human. It looks like a giant cyclops, not a little cyclops, giant cyclops. Looking at a human, real up close. I need to find something to do with patches, because I have so many. I love them, but I don't do battle vests. So I don't know what to do with them. Like a patch skirt? Patch pants? Maybe. We will see. And so that is the end of our first Brat Box. And the second one, I think I actually did a couple of extras. A couple of extras in it because I was worried that one would be too small to do an unboxing on, or even 2. But maybe not, we'll see. But I did a little extra for this one. And they're all taped up at the bottom here. But I cut it before starting filming because I can't be trusted with a knife. Alright, so let's go. Ooh! That is a fantastic idea. I'd invest in that. So I'm guessing this is probably just the robot dance battle one. But what caught my eye here was this little shark patch. Let's see, can I get it? Yeah, this little shark patch that's so cute. He has a little carrot. It's so stinking adorable. Me too, Grumpy Chicken. So this is the Grumpy Chicken enamel pen. And that is really cute. Again, Adventure Time vibes, which I'm not opposed to. I would love to be able to live in that show. Next we have this cute little sticker. And it is a little bunny postman delivering mail. And we have robot butts, and it's BMO. It's just BMO. But it's a little robot with an ice cream scoop on his head. And that is super sweet. That's adorable. Aww. So we have the Happy Garden Pals, and it's a little caterpillar in a little like doghouse. And now we are into, okay, so we have two separate ones here. So we have more enameled pins. I think this Robot Dance Party was actually the separate one that I got. I think. Maybe. We're going to start with the pins, and these ones come in a nice little bag that are very common, but I don't like the texture of. They're very nice. It's a very nice touch. That is an entirely personal thing. But they're very nice. They're soft compared to what those bags normally are. Oh. So the first little pin that flipped around is this little roller skate. Come on. Focus. Little roller skate with a little broken heart. Which is really cute. I used to do roller derby, not for very long and not very well. Because I can't balance to save my life. But I had a lot of fun with it. And a very fond memory of it. So I like that. Next we have this really cute little woman growing coral or fungi. Kind of reminds me of the Mushroom Lady drawings, if you've seen those. And this is by Stasia Burmington. And I love this one. I'm not usually a huge fan of gold, but I think it really works for this one. It looks really, it looks great. Good job. Oh, was this the... Is this here maybe? No? So we have this little card that I think is supposed to have a pin on it, but I'm not finding. So we'll look into that. Next we have this neon trash cat pin. He looks like he's having a good old time. And the last one, I really love. It's a typewriter. Oh, can I get a good view of it? I don't think I'll be able to get it. Oh, there we go. A new year, same me, still loving me and my body. So that's cute. I like that one a lot. Awesome, and I will link all of the artists' Instagrams below if you want to check them out. So that it'll be easy, since they made it very easy for me to like all of them. So I will link all of them below in the description. And next is our little patch packet. So first we have this one. It's a little girl with blue hair and one of those little twirly-doo hats that I've never actually seen in real life, but I want one. If someone has one, send it. I want it. So next we have this one, and I like this one a lot. So I believe this is, I'm not guaranteeing, but it does give me vibes of the goddess symbol with the triple moons back here, and then the shape, at least from this side, very much resembles one of the original findings of goddess statues. And it was the very, very curvy woman holding her arms up, and usually holding like a moon or something. So it gives me that vibes, and then there's snakes. And regardless if that's not what it's meant to be, this is fantastic. This is really cute, and I like it a lot. I like this one. Okay. Here is just a patch that says "See You Never," and it has a very like traditional tattoo style art in the center, which is really cool. Oh. And then the last thing that we have, I'm actually going to show you the back first because there's a lot of detail in the back of this to make it nice and colorful. But the last one we have is actually this patchwork girl with a hat and a little monkey, I think it's a monkey, on her shoulder. I kind of thought it was a sloth at first and I was really excited, but sloths are much bigger. But yeah, she's super cute. So let's see, that was 2 months worth of the subscription, so, and a little bit of extra, and I think the subscription is like $30 a month? I'll clarify here, and I will also link in the description below with all the artists if you guys are interested in getting one. Not sponsored, not affiliated. I just really like patches and pins. And I found a subscription box that sends me patches and pins. And I figured I'd share it with you guys. So, this is a whole bunch of cuteness. And it comes at the beginning. So if you were to sign up now, you would be asked what subscription box you wanted at the beginning of the month that you start, and you will receive it at the beginning of the next month when they ask you what your next one's gonna be. Because they do tend to give you 2 to 3 options on the ones that you want, or you can get both. But the first one I did with the little cutesy, these type ones was the Creepy Cute bundle, and then I believe I got the Robot Dance Party bundle. So, thank you guys for watching. If you like this, be sure to like below, and maybe consider subscribing. Maybe. And I will see you guys next week. Don't forget, I am still streaming on Twitch all of this month to raise money for St. Jude. That will also be in the description below if you're interested in making a donation. We are almost at $300 after a week, which is just kind of insane. And I'll be streaming on Twitch every day at 3 p.m. Probably forever. Tentatively. But at least through this month. And I have all of my stuff recorded there. If you guys want to check it out, feel free. If not, thank you. Have a great day. Stay weird. Bye.